Hi friends! Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub, where we make drawing super fun. Today, we're going to draw and color a yummy, cute silk chocolate bar. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the packet of our chocolate. Start with a big rectangle shape at an angle. Now, draw the top of the packet open with a wavy line. Inside the open packet, let's draw the chocolate bar. Draw a smaller rectangle sticking out of the packet. Inside the chocolate bar, draw some small rectangles to make the chocolate pieces. Yum! It already looks tasty.
La da 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 dee.
Next, make the outlines bold and sharp with your black marker to make the artwork pop. Now, let's write the word silk on the packet in big, playful letters.
Yay!
Awesome job! Yay! Our drawing is ready to color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Let's pick our color pens.
La 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 la.
Start with dark purple for the lower part of the packet.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Use light purple for the rest of the packet. Add a splash of blue for the wavy open area. Color the chocolate bar with brown. And the chocolate pieces with light brown for a delicious look.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, you did a fantastic job! Your silk chocolate bar looks so cute and yummy. Don't forget to share your drawing with your family and friends. Thank you for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time at Toddler's Art Hub. Bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.